Pets. We all love how much fun they bring into our lives. Every activity with your pet can be a new chapter of fun, as pets are truly adventure seekers. However, the joy of having a pet can sometimes be ruined by the burden of getting them clean. It might be easy giving our furry friends a clean bath, but the real task lies in getting them dry afterwards. Their fur doesn't dry that easy, and wet fur can easily be a dirt and dust magnet. So, as a result, you'll most likely find yourself battling unpleasant odors and smells of mold and moisture from your beloved pet. This is where the Pedicare Professional Pet Hand Dryer comes into your help. It's handy, rust-free, doesn't vibrate, and its advanced technology ensures your pet's fur or skin doesn't get damaged from excessively hot air. The Pedicare Hand Dryer is equipped with a smart LED screen, which offers the user full control of the temperature and airflow settings, preventing any fur or skin damage. With Pedicare, you save time and money. Time because you can give your pet a well-deserved bath from the comfort of your own home. And money because our sophisticated motor is equipped with advanced energy-saving measures. In terms of durability, the stainless steel body prevents any rust buildup, which ensures that this unit will serve you for years to come. Every component and part is meticulously sourced to ensure that quality standards are met. Our powerful pet dryer dries your pet's fur smoothly, leaving it looking clean, shiny, fresh, and smelling great, making your little friend happy. Pedicare Hand Dryer can be used anywhere, including at home and clinics. Treat your pet right with the Pedicare Hand Dryer.
Why would you get a rechargeable bark collar for your dog? Better relationships with your neighbors. Smoother family traveling experience. Deeper, uninterrupted sleep for you and the kids. The collar is recommended only for excessive barking. For other situations, we suggest you to train your dog so that he will know how to handle them and how to react. It is a device that is very easy to use. It is enough to start it and put it around the dog's neck. Then set the training mode, and afterwards, the device will do its job. All you have to do is check that everything is okay and the dog reacts properly to it. The collar has a 5-year warranty, and for any problem, I can call the supplier directly by phone, or I can email them using the contact info written on the product's box.